page number 73, second question we'll see. In a circle of radius 5 centimeter. So you have a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Two parallel chords of the length 6 and 8 centimeter are drawn either side of the diameter. So you have the two chords, one is 8 and the one 6 centimeter on either side of the diameter, either side, okay. So this circle's radius how much? If I show you radius like this, it will be 5. So I am showing like this 5 centimeter the radius. And one chord is 8 and another chord is 6 on either side of the diameter. What is the distance between them? What is the distance between them? Means from here to here distance you have to find out. Next, if parallel chords of these length are drawn on the same side of the diameter, what would be the distance between them? So here it is drawn like this. Opposite side like this drawn. That time you have to find out the distance. Or in another case, if these two chords comes on the same side, means here only if the chord comes, what will be the distance between those chords is asking. So now we'll see the problem. We need to find out the distance from this chord to this chord. So this one you have to find out first, then this one you have to find out second, then you have to add those, then you will get distance between the two chords. So as usual you know, to find out the length of the chords, means here length of the chords we don't want, we want the distance from these, okay. So for that we need right triangle. So already I have shown here 5 centimeter. That time you are getting one right angle here. Another one I can show you here, that is also 5. So that this will be a 90-degree triangle. And 8 centimeter means it will be 4 here, 4, and 6 means here 3, 3. But we don't know the base. Base we want to find out by hypotenuse and by the Pythagoras theorem. So now we are going to take this triangle first, okay. That is OBP. In that base we want to find base square is equal to hypotenuse square minus altitude square. Hypotenuse square minus altitude square. So OP square is equal to OB square minus PB square or BP square, whatever. So OB is how much? OB 5 minus PB how much? 4. So you will get 5 square 25 minus 4 square 16, 9 you will get. That is OP square you are getting, OP square. But we need a OP. So square root if you take, you are getting 3 centimeter. So here you are getting 3 centimeter. Now we are moving on to the another triangle, that is OQD. In that, there also base is missing, hypotenuse square and altitude is given. So base square is equal to hypotenuse square minus altitude square. That is, you can give the name. Hypotenuse base is which one? OQ. OQ square is equal to hypotenuse OD square minus altitude DQ square. So that hypotenuse 5 square minus 3 square, 25 minus 9, 16 you will get. So when you take the square root, 4 you will get, 4 centimeter you will get. Now you got that this is 4 centimeter. Now they are asking no distance between the two chords. How much? 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, 7. So distance between them is 7 centimeter. Now the second part question they asked, if these two chords comes on the same side of the diameter. So you can see here one circle. These two chords are coming on the same side of the diameter. Means here 8 centimeter long, here 6 centimeter long. What will be the distance between these two? So you know, if I draw a diameter or a radius like this, you know that from the center to this chord, how much you had? It's 3 you had. So this is 3. From the center to this much is 3, okay. Now from the center to this 6 centimeter chord, how much you had? 4 centimeter. So that above you can show you here. I can show you 4 centimeter. So that they are asking distance between these two chords what will be. So you know that this 4 minus 3 you will get the remaining, no. So that way you can do. If parallel chords are on the same side of the diameter, then the distance between them is 4 minus 3 is 1 centimeter. Next topic is points and circles. Points and circles. So I am going to ask you one point I am putting here. One point you can see here. Through that one point, how many circles we can draw? It means through that one point every circle have to pass through. So that I can show you one point here. Through that one circle is drawn here, and a circle is drawn here. One more, and many circle you can draw through this one point. So many circle we can draw. Now I'm going to ask with 2 points, how many circles you can draw? I'm putting here 2 points like this, so that I can take that as a diameter, and using that diameter I can draw a circle like this. This is the first circle I have drawn with this as a diameter. So that this 2 points are passing through that circle, no. So again I can choose this as a chord and I can draw another circle like this. See here, and the circle, which means that it's not a diameter. So then also these points are passing through that circle. And also you can see upper one like this I have drawn, so that this point is coming on the circle. And you can see another circle like this, so that these points are coming on the circle. So there also you can draw many circles through these 2 points. So it will pass through those 2 points. Now I'm asking, what about the 3 points? Can you draw a circle can pass all these 3 points? It is not possible, because if I draw a circle, it will come like this, so that one point will be out. And if I choose these like this, see, it can come like this, but this point will be out. So I can choose like this also. But 3 points we can't draw. Using 3 points, we cannot draw a circle. But in that also I can say, if that 3 points in the same line, I cannot draw. But I am saying in a different way, these 3 points I can use like this, not in a one line, but a different way I can use these 3 points, one here, one here, one here, so that I can draw the circle passing through these points. That is how we can see now. That's the main thing here we are going to see. These 3 points, if I join, you are getting a triangle. You are getting a triangle, so that how can you draw a circle? So here what you are going to do is, this line's bisector you have to find out. Bisector, more than half. That is, no, one line if you take, you have to take the compass, and more than half you have to take. What is a more than half? This is the center. Center means this one. So this is a half actually. So we want more than half. This is a half. More than half means somewhere here. So somewhere here you have to choose and put an arc here, down, up and down. Same way here, up and down, so that you will get the center line. So same way we are going to put all this down, and here also we are going to join, so that these perpendicular bisectors will pass through the center of this circle. Which means if I keep the compass here, and I can choose any one of the point. This point I can choose, or this point I can choose, or this point I can choose, and using that you have to draw the circle. So this is very, very important. So this is called circumcircle of the triangle, given triangle. Circumcircle of the given triangle. So this is very, very important. Okay, just now we have studied the circumcircle. What do you mean by circumcircle? That is a circle which is passing through all the 3 vertices of a triangle is called a circumcircle. Means a triangle you have to draw the circle, so that the circle will pass us through all the 3 vertices. Now the question will be 78 page number. First question, draw 3 triangles with a length of 2 sides 4 and 5 cm and angle between them 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree. Draw a circumcircle of each. Which means this question, actually 3 questions are combined here. So you need to understand what is the question is. Draw 3 triangles. So first triangle I have shown here, roughly I am showing here. One triangle is this, with the 2 sides 4 and 5. You can choose 4 here, or you can choose 5 here, whatever. That is your choice. 4 and 5, and angle between them is 60 degree. First triangle is 60 degree. So this is your triangle. The next triangle will be 4 and 5, like this only you have to take, but angle between them will be 90 degree. So here instead of this 90 degree you have to take. The third triangle will be 4 and 5 only, but angle between them it will be 120 degree. So like the 3 diagrams you have to draw. After drawing the triangle, you have to draw the circumcircle. Circumcircle you have to draw. For that you need to take a compass, scale, protractor, everything. Okay. So you need to draw with the compass only. That's important. Very, very important problem it is all. So now what you can do is, you can take 5 cm line, 5 cm line you can take, or you can choose 4 also, no problem. 5 cm I am taking, and after that what is the degree? 60 degree. 60 degree you have to mark. You can choose here or you can keep here, no problem. So I'll start from here itself, so that you know the line is going this way. So that side 0, which scale that you have to choose. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60 here. So 60 you have to mark 60, and how much is this? 4 cm. 4 cm you have to take it in a scale. That is, you have to take in a compass and just mark that 4 cm. 4 cm somewhere here. So that mark through the 60 till the arc you have to draw. So this is 4 and this is 60 degree. Then you don't know the third line, so just to join the line. So then you got A, B, C, like this you got. Now we want to draw the circumcircle. For that we told that a line's perpendicular bisector you have to draw. how to draw the perpendicular bisector. So you know already I've told you this is the half, so we need to take more than half. This is the half, we need to take more than half with the compass. More than half I'm taking, like this I have to take, and up and down you have to put. Now for example here, more than half I'm taking, and inside and outside, same you have to keep it here, inside and outside, so that these 2 points you have to join. These 2 points you have to join. Now one perpendicular bisector you got. So you can choose any other sides, your choice. If you want this, you can choose here, or if you want, you can choose here. Any one of the sides you can choose now. Now same way, more than half I have to take. More than half here I am taking. So if you want to change, you can change. Should be, half will be here, more than half somewhere here. So you have to put an arc here, inside also here, so that keep it upside, and here, then here it will come, so that these 2 points you have to join. Now 2 perpendicular bisector enough. Third one, if you want, you can do, otherwise no need, 2 only enough. This side's perpendicular bisector over, and this side's over. Now these 2 perpendicular bisector are meeting at a single point. You can mark here, this is the center of your circle, center of the circle of this triangle. Okay, now I have to keep the needle here, and I can choose the centimeter from here to here, this point, or you can choose this point, or you can choose this point. So anyway, you have to choose this way, and you have to draw the circle, so that every point have to touch, every point have to touch, then draw the circle using the compass. So this is the way you are getting the circumcircle. Very, very important problem. So this is the first question's answer. Same way you have to do the second and third. In that sub question 2, that is 3 triangles only with the 2 sides 4 and 5, and angle between them 60 degree over. Next 90 degree I am giving you homework, same how you did just now. Same way, instead of 60 you have to take 90 degree. Now third one I am going to do now. 4 and 5 only, 4 and 5. If you want to change this one, no problem. 4 you can take here, or 5 you can take here. So 4 and 5, in between those angle will be 120 degree. So there also you have to draw the circumcircle. So 90 degrees I am giving homework. Okay, 90 degrees I am giving you homework. So this you have to do as a homework. Now the same way, 5 centimeter line, 5 centimeter line you have to take, and angle you have to take. Angle that is 120 degree. So you have to keep here, or you can keep it here also, no problem. 120 degree here. So I told you this line is going this way, so 0 have to consider from here, wherever 0 is here. So 120 will be here. So 120, and this is how much? 4 centimeter. You have to take it in a scale and keep it here. Draw the arc, so that this through the 120 degree you have to draw. This is 120 degree, and this is 4 centimeter. Now you have to join this, like this you have to draw. Now as you did perpendicular bisector, any 2 sides you have to take. Perpendicular bisector of any 2 sides. This side you can take, or this side you can take, or this side you can take. So as usual I start with this only. More than half, here will be half, more than half somewhere here. So just extend the compass and draw the arc here, and draw the arc down. Same way, keep it here, and here, then here it will come. So your line will come like this. Now one perpendicular bisector over. Now I'm going to do with this line, or you can do this also. More than half I'm going to take here, and here, so that keep it here. One side is 2 end you have to use. Okay, this side is 1 end I have used here. Now I am using this another end. So here it will come, here it will come, so that I can draw the line. I can draw the line like this drawing. Now if you don't confuse, if this line is not touching, you have to keep the scale. You have to keep the scale and just drag the line, so that those line will touch like this. If it is drawn just a half line, you have to make it up with using the scale, not with the hand. So now these 2 lines are touching here, no? So this is actually a center. In the previous diagram it was not like this, because of the angle changes. Here it is 120 degree. That's why the center comes out of the triangle. Now this is the center now. Now take the point here and 1 point here. Okay, set your compass, mine is small, So stretch your compass like this, or you can take from here to here, or you can take from here to here. Any one of the point you have to choose. So that this compass have to pass, means the circle have to pass all these 3 points. Like this. So this is the circumcircle of this triangle. You need to do using the measurements and the compass, protractor, everything.